In this video, I will show how to check if HDR is supported on a Windows 11. So click on Start, then Settings. Now click on Display. Here you will see option HDR. Click here. So in this section, guys, you will see play streaming HDR video. In my system, in my case, it's supported. Use HDR, it's not supported. If you want to turn on streaming HDR video, so turn on here. This display can play streaming HDR video when available. For best results, play HDR video full screen. So this is the way, guys, you can check HDR is supported in your PC. Thanks for watching. Please share, like and subscribe to this channel.